Welcome to Synsoft Studio. This is Hal Jandio. आज असांजी मॉक टेस्ट जो फिफ्थ था जेको असां SPSC कंप्यूटर साइंस लेक्चरशिप जे लाइ तैयारी पिया करायूं आहियूं. लेट स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ सुपर कीवर्ड? सुपर कीवर्ड जो पर्पस छा है? ऐं जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे ए calls super class constructor. Question number 2. In Java, what is the abstracted class used for? Abstract class छाजे लाइ यूज़ थींदो आहे? उन जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे बी defining the blueprint for other classes. Question number 3. What is the term for the process of hiding implementation detail and showing the only essential features of an object? Object जो essentially यूज़ थींदो आहे उन जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे encapsulation. छो त encapsulation असांजो hiding implementation ॾींदो आहे. Question number 4. Which keyword is used for implementing the multiple inheritance in Java? Inheritance में multiple जे लाइ असां छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं? extends. छो त असां extend कंदा वेंदा आहियूं classes खे. Question number 5. What is the purpose of equals method in Java? Equals method में छा थींदो आहे? Correct option आहे A. Compares two objects for equality. Question number 6. In Java, what does the static keyword mean when the supplied to the method? Method के supplied करण जे लाइ असांजो ये यूज़ थींदो आहे. करेक्ट ऑप्शन allows the method access without the creating instance of the class. Question number 7. Which access modifiers in Java allows the variable or method to be accessed only within its own class? own class में जेको असांजो modifier यूज़ थींदो आहे उहो असांजो कहिड़ो हूंदो आहे? करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे private. Question number 8. What is the purpose of final keyword when this applied to the variable in Java? जॾहिं असां applied कंदा आहियूं final keyword उन जो correct option आहे B, यानी कि declares the variables as a constant. Question number 9. What is the term for the specially method that is called when an object is instantiated in Java? उन जो correct option आहे A, constructor. Question number 10. In Java, what does the interface keyword represent? Interface जो keyword हूंदा वो छा के represent कराईंदो आहे? Question number 10 जो आंसर आहे C. Construct for a set of the methods that implementation class must provide. Question number 11. What is the primary goal of software engineering? Software engineering जो primary goal छा है? Question number 11 जो correct option आहे C. Delivering high quality software efficiently. Question number 12. What is the purpose of requirement analysis in software development life cycle? Life cycle में जो correct option आहे C. Understanding and documents user needs and system requirements. Which software development model is known for its iterative and incremental approach? Correct option आहे जो agile model. Question number 14. What does the term version control refer to in software engineering? जो correct option आहे C. Track changes versions changes to source code and managing the multiple versions. Question number 15. What is the purpose of use case diagram in unified modeling language UML? जो correct option आहे C. यानी कि illustrating interactions between the actors and system. Question number 16. Which testing phase focus on the finding defects that were not discovered previous testing phase? The correct option is C. यानी कि system testing. What is the term of the process fixing the defects identified during the testing? The correct option is A, debugging. Question number 18. What is the main purpose of software prototype? Prototype जो main purpose छा है? जो correct option is C. To providing the tangible representation of software early in the development of process. Question number 19. In context of software maintaining, what does the term preventive maintenance refers to? Question number 19 जो correct option is B. Enhancing software functionality. Question number B. What is the purpose of software development kit SDK? Question number B जो correct option is A. Question number 8. What is the correct syntax for to declare pointer in C++? C++ में pointer असां declare कीअं कंदा आहियूं? Question number 21 जो correct option is B. What is the keyword used to dynamically allocate the memory in C++? C++ में असां dynamically memory जेका allocate कंदा आहियूं कीअं कंदा आहियूं correct option आहे C. What is the output following the code snippet? इन जो जेको output आहे उहो छा थींदो? जो correct option आहे B यानी कि 6. What is the purpose of constant keyword in C++? Constant जो purpose छा है C++ में जो correct option आहे A. To declare the constant variable. Question number 5 in C++, how do you define a default constructor for a class named myClass? असां default constructor जेको myClass name सां असां explain कंदासीं उन जो correct option आहे A यानी कि myClass इन तरीक़े सां. What does the virtual keyword indicate in C++? virtual जेको keyword indicate कंदो आहे C++ के छा में? Question number 26 जो correct option आहे B यानी कि function ये चई सघूं था a function hidden in a classes. Question number 27 which operator used for the dynamic memory deallocation in C++? dynamically असां deallocation कंदा आहियूं इन जो correct option आहे A यानी कि delete. असां delete कंदा आहियूं त तॾहिं असांजो उहो इस्तेमालु थींदो आहे. Question number 28 what is the purpose of type id operator in C++? Question number 28 जो correct option है A to identify the type of variable. What is the output of the following code snippet? हिन जो code जो output चाहती है जो correct option है D यानी कि 5. Question number 3 what is the scope resolution operator in C++ used for? इसको जो scope resolution जो छा purpose है? Question number 3 जो correct option है B to define a variable or function. Question number 31 what is the primary purpose of SDLC software development life cycle? जो correct option है 31 जो C to provide the framework software development. Question number 32 which software development model is known for the flexibility and interactive mature and flexibility केड़े model में होंदी है उन correct option है C यानी कि agile model. What is the purpose of version control system like Git software development? Question number 33 जो correct option है B tracking the changes source code and coordinate the work. What is the role of software architect in software development process? software architect जो छा role है software engineering में? ये correct option है C यानी कि designing overall the structure and framework. Question number 35 what is the main goal of the unit testing in software development? unit testing जो छा goal है software engineering में? जो correct option है B यानी कि ensures the individual units and components are working correctly. Question number 36 which software development principle emphasize the breaking down system into the smaller manageable parts? Question number 36 जो correct option है C modularity. Question number 37 what does the UML unified modeling language provide the software engineering में UML जो छा provide कंदो आहे software engineering में? जो correct option है B provide a standard notation for the modeling software system. What is the primary purpose of use case diagram in UML जो use case जो primary छा purpose है? Question number 38 जो correct option है D यानी कि describe the how a system interact with external entities. What is the term for a software development practice where the code is automatically built, tested and deployed? जॾहिं असां code automatically ठाहींदा आहियूं build कंदा आहियूं deployed कराईंदा आहियूं. ये correct option है A यानी continuously integration. Question number 40 what is the purpose of requirement analysis in software engineering? software engineering में जो requirement analysis है उन जो छा purpose है? Question number 40 जो correct option है B to gather the documents and needs the constraints of the users. Question number 41 what is the time complexity of linear search algorithm in an array of a size n? n जो असां छा size है उन जी array में complexity में इन जो correct option है C यानी कि big O n linear search असां big O n सां करें. Question number 42 what data structure uses the last in first out LIFO principle? Question number 42 जो correct option है C यानी कि stack. Question number 43, in context of sorting algorithm, what is the time complexity of quick sort algorithm in average case? Average case में quick sort जो time complexity है. Question number 43 जो correct option ना C. Big O login. Question number 44, what is the primary purpose of hash function in data structure? Data structure में hash function जो छा कम्मा. Question number 44 जो correct option ना B. Map the data and fix the array for the efficient retrieval. Question number 45, which searching algorithm requires the data to be the sorted order for the efficient searching? Efficient searching algorithm केड़ो है searching algorithm में? Question number 45 जो correct option ना B, binary search. What is the purpose of dynamic programming in algorithm design? Algorithm design में असां जो dynamically purpose छा है? Question number 46 जो correct option ना C, to solve the problem, breaking them into the smaller sub problems and solving each only once. Question number 47, which data structure used to implement the priority queue? Priority queue में असां जो छा purpose है? Correct option ना D, यानी कि heap. In the context of graph, what is the cycle? Cycle छा है? जो correct option ना D, यानी कि closed path which first last vertices are the same. Question number 49, what is the purpose of big O notation in algorithm analysis? Analysis algorithm में जो big O notation ना वो छा purpose होना जो. Question number 49 जो को correct option ना B, to analyze the worst case complexity of an algorithm. Question number 50, which sorting algorithm has the time complexity of big O and log in the average and worst case? Correct option ना C, quick sort. होप त ही मॉक टेस्ट पंजी तव्हां ॾिठी हूंदी. कंप्लीट कोर्स आहे लेक्चरशिप कंप्यूटर साइंस जो SPSC में. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब चैनल, फॉलो अवर फेसबुक पेज. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.